Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn concept of the turns. Half turn, 1/4 turn, 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. If we take a circle and divided it into exactly two parts as I divided. If we take a circle and we will divide it exactly into two parts, we will get two halves, one half and two half. So each part is one half of a whole. We already learned the fraction. So if we will divide it into two parts, each part will denote the half. So let's see regarding it the half turn. Okay, half turn, if I place an arrow, okay, it is upside. Now if I want to turn it half, so how I should rotate? It is the half. Arrow is now downwards. So if we will take an arrow, then which side it covers? It covers the side from here to here. It covers the side from here to here. So I have taken this arrow, and if we turn it into half, what is happening? It comes here. Let's see according to the clock. Okay, we all very familiar with the clock. And yes, if we very familiar with the clock, then it is very easy to turn and determine the turns. There are total 12 parts the clock has. How many parts? There are total 12 parts the clock has. Okay, if we want to turn it into half, clock has 12 parts. Okay, if we want to turn any object it into half, then what we will do? What we will do? Make half of a 12. Half of a 12. So let's do half of a 12. So it is 6. So at which side we will turn the object? Towards the 6. It is very easy. If we have the arrow and if we have to turn it into half, then easily at which side we will turn? Downside towards the 6. So it is the half turn. Now 1/4 turn. We have a circle. Now we make fourth part of a circle. In fraction we knows very well 1/4 of a whole. Yani ki this part is a 1/4 part of this whole circle. So if we will place an arrow, and if we want to turn it 1/4, then at which side we will turn? At this side we will turn. This is the 1/4 side. And according to the clock, let's see 1/4 part. 1/4 part. 12 hai. We have 12 parts. So out of 12, fourth part. So 4 3s are 12. So if we will take an arrow, and if we want to turn it 1/4, then at which side we will turn? Towards the 3, because fourth part of a 12 is 3. So easily we can turn towards the 3. So it is the 1/4 part of a circle. Now 1/3 part. We have a circle and we make 3 parts of equal 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. So each part denote the 1/3. So let's take an arrow and let's turn it into 1/3. If we want to turn at which side? It is the 1/3 part of the circle. So if we want to turn any object 1/3 part, like this we will turn. And let's see according to the clock, both are the same. Okay, 1/3 part of a 12. So let's do 12 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12. Sorry, we have to make a 1/3 part. So 3 part. of a 12. So 3 fours are 12. So if we want to turn any object, at a 1/3, then which side? At a 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock की साइड में हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट टर्न कर देना है. Yes, we will turn towards the 4. Both are same. So this is the 1/3 part. This is the 1/3 parts. And at last, let's see 1/6 part. 1/6 part, I have a circle and I made 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So each part is 1/6 of a whole. Each part is 1/6 of a whole. So if we will take an arrow and if we want to turn it into 1/6 pattern, then which side? Only this much. Okay, this is the 1/6 part. 1/6 turn. Let's see according to the clock. Clock has total 12 parts and we have to take 6 parts. Okay, 6. So 6 2s are 12. So if we want to turn any object 1/6, then at which time? At 2 o'clock we will turn. At 2 o'clock. It is easy. Now let's take this triangle. Okay, this triangle. Now we have to follow this dot. Now we will turn it into half. Half of 12. So which side it will go? Towards the 6. Half of 12. So this is the half turn. This one is the half turn. Then again half. So once again 12. This is the half again. Now if I want to turn into 1/4 turn, then which side? 4 3s are 12. So this side towards the 3. So let's turn 1/4. This is the 1/4, fourth part of the whole. Once again 1/4. So this is the 1/4 part. Once again 1/4. So this is the once again 1/4. Again 1/4. So 1/4 and again 1/4. Like this we can turn into 1/4. Now 1/3 part. 1/3 part means 3 4s are 12. So at which side we will turn? Towards the 4th. If we have triangle and if we want to turn it into 1/3 part, then at a 4 o'clock. So this is the 1/3 part. So once again, if we want to change, if we want to turn into 1/3, then at which side? At 8 o'clock it will come. So let's turn towards the 8. ट्राइंगल चेंज होता है? नहीं, शेप तो सेम रहता है. अगेन 1/3. Yes, same. This is the 1/3 turn. Now 1/6 turn. We learn already 1/6 turn. यानी कि 6 2s are 12. So at which time? 2 o'clock. First 1/6 turn towards the 2. Once again 1/6 turn towards the 4. This is the 1/6 turn. Once again 1/6 turn at which side? Towards the 6. 2 2 karo. 2 4 6. So 1/6 again 1/6. So at 8 o'clock. Again 1/6 at 10. Again 1/6. So at 12. So these are the different turns. Once again half turns यानी कि towards the 6. 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn यानी कि towards the 3. Towards 3. 1/3. 1/3 turn means towards the 4. Okay. And 1/6 towards the 2. And how we will determine 1/6? 1/3, 1/4 and half turn, we will divide by that. If we want to turn it half, then 12 divided by 2. If we want to turn it 1/4, then 12 divided by 4. If 1/3, then 12 divided by 3, and 1/6, then 12 divided by 6. So, this is the half, 1/4, 1/3 and 1/6. So, by this method you can easily determine any turns.